そう。So on the third layer, and it's starting to get full already, so that's good. Now, I just prefer to gather it while it's on the skirt, while I'm pinning it to the skirt. If you machine gather it and like base stitch it and then pull it together, you're probably gonna need less layers because the way I'm pleating it doesn't make it as tight. So just on how you put it together will change the thickness and such. Like, if you were to gather, I started off by taking a basic stitch and then pulling the bobbin thread to gather this together because I left my gathering foot somewhere else. And this works. It'll actually make everything a lot thicker faster, and I would recommend separating your layers a little bit higher than 2 inches because when you see like the pleats, it's not too much going on. So I'm gonna actually start gathering just a little bit tighter, but without the basic stitch because I don't want to use up super amounts of thread. But that's when you just get a little bit thicker with less spacing in between. Either way it works. It really just depends on how full you want it. And I want it to get a little bit fuller. And yeah, because even when you fold it up right now, it's not been too bad. But I'm in my little nest. So about 6 more layers to go. Alright, 4 layers in, and it's getting bigger. My only concern now is just making sure that the seams are being covered with each layer, and it's most likely. What I'm gonna have to do now is, because I'm gonna fill the rest up with the lighter blue and then maybe a white if I don't have enough of the light blue. I'm gonna go ahead and just sit there for like 30 minutes and just gather it all first, because I really like this gathering effect, but it'll also just kind of let me see how much fabric I have, and then I can like place it and figure out what's going to be covered up, because thinner layers, I don't know. So I'm gonna play around real quick. After I put on the top layer of netting, that's the most I can do for now, because I have to go to the store and go ahead and get some more tulle. The fun fact about making petticoats, you never have enough tulle. So right now, the dark layer I had 10 yards, the middle layer had 10 yards, and then the light layer had about 20 yards. So I probably still need about 20 more yards of tulle. It shouldn't be as bad just because we're at the top. So in the next installment, you'll see the white parts and me trimming it to look presentable. And we'll have Cinderella mostly done. And then we can move on into her maid outfit. So
stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.